Hello there, Royals. How's everyone doing? So good to have you back. I am so excited. Welcome back. And if you're new on here, really good to have you. Welcome to the family. Now, if you're interested in growing a healthy, beautiful hair, you're in the right place. Now, today, as always, we have a really interesting tutorial to show it to you. How to pre-poo your hair using just two items: palm oil and conditioner of choice. Now, I am so excited about this because pre-poo simply means preparing your hair for shampoo. When you do that, you are not allowing shampoo to strip off all of the sebum that you have. Sebum is just that natural oil that your scalp produces. It also will restore moisture and just keep your hair very manageable. You can detangle your hair while pre-pooing so shampoo doesn't mess things up for you. And today, just because I have a type 4 hair, if you also have type 4 hair, good news. This pre-poo will soften your hair, make it really manageable. Detangling will become child's play. All right, if you are, like I said, interested in growing a healthy, beautiful hair, please subscribe. Turn on my post notification bell, and you can also comment, share, like, please. Let's get into the kitchen and make this pre-poo ready. Get to the kitchen. Welcome back to my kitchen. So good to have you. Listen, we're only going to be using two items: palm oil and any conditioner of choice, any conditioner at all. I'm using the Tresemme brand because that's what I have, and I really do love this conditioner. It has some sleep. The more sleep you get in your conditioner, the better for you, especially for those of us with type 4 hair. Now, did you know that palm oil contains omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, especially from the parent family? I'm just going in with 5 tablespoons of palm oil. And listen, I usually, like you might have noticed in my previous videos, I love to eyeball the quantity of ingredients that I'm using, but I would always have your back. I'm gonna put the measurement in the description box below. It's gonna be a cup of conditioner to 5 spoons of palm oil. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. So easy to make, yet so beautiful. Palm oil has many benefits to the hair. It is super rich in vitamins E, which can promote, your cell growth in a hair follicles and also prevent hair loss. It's an excellent source of antioxidants, and it is full of saturated fats and lipid. Palm oil contains, collagen, and it can hold the hair together, reducing hair loss, promoting growth, stronger growth for that matter, thicker hair, healthier hair, while it also helps to slow down the process of graying. My second daughter is our model today. I have had her hair out for way no. I have left her hair alone for way too long because I was out of the country. I'm back now. That's why it is very good to use really good hair products in the hair, especially natural ones, because it will continue to keep the hair nicely kept and preventing breakage. Anyways, that's me just saturating the hair with water. When you saw me spritzing the hair, that's warm water. That's it. And I am just going in with my palm oil. As you know, I'm always very generous with my application. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is very important. Please warm up the mixture, the palm oil and conditioner mixture. What I did, I used, put it in my microwave, and I put in 25 seconds. You can have a bowl of warm water and just place your bowl over it. But I decided to do it the quick way. Microwave 25 seconds. 20 to 25 seconds is perfect, and it had it really warm. Because it's warm, it's gonna penetrate the hair quicker. And palm oil, although it looks super thick, it has all that fatty acid in it. It is a very penetrating oil. It penetrates the hair shaft very easily, the same way coconut oil would do. I mean, coconut oil might be more penetrating, but palm oil is a penetrating oil. So that's me just going in, and I usually would only finger detangle at this stage. I hardly go in with comb or brush at this early stage because I'm trying to save all the hair. This little girl wants her hair to be all the way to her thighs. So let's see. Is that even possible? Shh, don't tell her yet. She has her hair to her waistline, but she wants it all the way to her legs. Shh, don't spoil it. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing for all of the sections while I finger the tangle. The tangling is very important if you are into length retention, because once your hair is fully detangled, it will not break easily and it will be easy for you to manipulate when you're styling it. And because this mixture is warm and palm oil does something to the hair, oh my god, it softens the hair. This is a natural hair softener. I would want to call it that. Permit me to use that word. It softens the hair so much. This is a type 4 hair. Look at how soft it gets. And look at how easily the old twist that I just undid, look at how much it's just, I can separate those twists without it coming off or breaking. I'm able to retain all that length. Yeah. Be very generous. Just add it up. It's a messy conditioner or messy treatment, but who cares? It's doing the job. And I forgot again to get her flannel to place over her back. But anyways, at the end of the day, I will give her a bath when I get to the last phase of washing. This is something you do before you shampoo, okay? Before you shampoo. I'm done with all of this because this is a pre-poo, and all done. All done. Hair so rich, treated with that palm oil. I used double grocery bag, okay, Walmart bag, and this is just my first daughter. She's gonna be doing the same exact thing, and I have left her hair for over a month, just like her other sister. All done, all done, all done. She doesn't want her hair in her face, and she's just showing you her thick forest hair. All right, that's it. All done, and I'm gonna proceed to wash out the hair with shampoo and do a protein treatment. And coming back with my first daughter, washed out the second daughter, I'm sorry, the main model for today, washed out her hair with shampoo, condition, did the protein treatment, and I put her hair, section each part, put leave-in conditioner, border, and first with oil, and that's it. All done. Welcome back, dear royals. How easy was that? Very easy, right? You only need 2 items, just 2. Please, I need you to subscribe if you haven't done that already, because guess what? I'm coming back next week. You don't want to miss that. Next week with another super hot tutorial for you, just helping you grow a healthy, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hair. Talk to you next week, okay? Bye. And one more thing. Let me know in the comment section, are you going to be making this? All right, bye.